creating a simple dice game in PowerShell GUI. Hello everyone, welcome back to PowerShell GUI course. Today we're going to create a fun and simple dice game using PowerShell GUI. Let's dive into the code. First, we need to load the libraries, which allows us to create GUI components. Next, we create a new form. This will be the main window of our application. Now, let's create a picture box to display the dice image. We'll set its width and height. We'll start by defining a variable to hold a random number, which will represent the dice face. Make sure you have your dice images stored in a folder named Dice. Next, we display the initial dice image. We want the image to resize properly, so we set the size mode to zoom. Now let's add the picture box to our form so it becomes visible. Next, we'll create a button that the user can click to roll the dice. Let's position the button and set its text. Now we need to define what happens when the button is clicked. When clicked, it will generate a random number and update the picture box accordingly. We then add the button to our form so users can interact with it. Finally, we display the form using Show Dialog, keeping the window open until it's closed. Let's run the code and see the dice game in action. Now, when I click the play button, the image will change to a random dice face. And there you have it. You've just created a simple dice game in PowerShell GUI. Feel free to customize the dice images or add more features. If you enjoyed this video, please appreciate my work and leave your comments or questions below. Until next time, happy coding!